We know that having conflict is important to your audience. They want to know whether or not the problem is going to be solved. But just having the one conflict usually isn't enough to keep the attention throughout the story. A good story knows how to use tension, to make it difficult on the character, and to find out whether or not the character is going to solve the problem is what's creating tension. So it's not just about one obstacle. You want to keep the attention of the audience throughout the entire story. And you're going to do that with tension. And you're going to build that tension by several smaller challenges to the character. It will make it more real for the audience as well. The audience will feel that if it's not just one problem that the character has to solve, that it's actually something that might happen. So you need to build out the conflict with smaller ones. These are smaller turning points. Each story has several turning points. Turning points change the course of the story. Sometimes dramatically, but most of the time just a little bit. You want to create several turning points to make the character grow and to make the character overcome several different other problems. So when the character seems to have found the solution to a problem, give him or her a new, smaller problem. You want to make the character work for it. That's what the audience wants. An example of smaller obstacles to overcome are experience from the past, for example, or something that has happened that an old friend shows up or an old relative shows up. In more business-like stories, it could be about the obstacles that come with an implementation. For example, we just wanted to launch the website, and what happens when we wanted to push the button? The internet went down. Or we just had the process on track and then the project manager left and we had to find a new project manager and we almost had to start over. Those are smaller problems that the character needs to overcome. It will show the audience that it takes an effort to get to the new world. Remember, we want the character to work for it. We really want the character to succeed, but not without struggle. So give the character multiple smaller struggles to overcome.